Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If the touchscreen on your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G is not responding, here are some quick fixes you can try before heading to a repair shop. So let's go. First, press and hold the power and volume down buttons together for about 10 seconds until your phone restarts. This clears temporary system glitches that may cause the touchscreen to freeze. Second, clean the screen. Use a soft, dry cloth to wipe the screen. Make sure there's no oil, dust, or moisture interfering with touch sensitivity. Third is to test touchscreen in safe mode. To check if a third-party app is causing the problem, hold the power button, tap and hold on power off, and tap safe mode. Now test the screen. If it works here, an app you installed may be the issue. If the screen feels slow, go to settings. Locate this option called display and tap on it. Scroll down and toggle on this option called touch sensitivity. This helps especially if you're using a screen protector. Fifth step is to update your software. Under settings, you will find this option called software update. Tap on it and go to download and install. Samsung regularly fixes touchscreen issues with updates. Step 6 is factory reset. If nothing works and you have backed up your data, go to settings and locate this option called general management and tap on it. Scroll down, find this option reset and tap on it. Scroll down and tap factory data reset. This will erase all data, so use it only as a last step. And that's how to fix an unresponsive touchscreen on your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.